I'm gonna need y'all to not come for me in the comments. I know I got the Justin Bieber swoop going on. I do, I know it. I'ma tell you one time, don't come for me in the comments, okay? We're just gonna have to go ahead with this. Keep your comments to yourself. I'm really not trying to hear it today. I came on camera today just to do a Valentine's Day look, you know, and an inspiration for you guys who are gonna go out and have a grand of a time. But pause. So for today's look, I'm gonna be using this palette right here, the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, but this is the brights. I'm not sure what range or what color selection I'm gonna go for, but best believe it's gonna be poppin'. I'm gonna take this color and go into my crease. Oh yeah. I like that. I like that. Internet it's a graveyard. It has me dead. So after we apply that orangey bright color, okay, I cannot, no, we're gonna have to fix this. I cannot take me serious. Why didn't you guys tell me I looked like a mess? You guys are not supportive right now. Like, you have me looking like Justin Bieber's auntie on camera. Okay, I have to swoop it though. I'm so confused. This pink color right here, Lord forgive me if this comes out looking like a hot mess, because you know I didn't intentionally do this. Alright, I see you. Peekaboo. I'm gonna go on top of that with the orange again, just to bring back a little bit of that color. Yeah, we're not trying to lose it, you know. What I'm gonna do now, guys, is a cut crease, because I'm gonna use other colors and I don't want it to like fade away and not look good. So I'm gonna do a cut crease and I'll be right back. So I did the best I could, and I'm not even gonna lie, it took forever. It was so hard. I'm gonna start off with all the three purple colors, just going in like lightest to darkest, because I don't want to look too much like a clown, so I'm trying to use like the same family of colors at least.
This is so exhausting.
So I'm done with like the base colors, and dang, I've never done anything like this, and oh my god, I don't even know what to think. I'm gonna take this NYX white liquid liner and do a liner. Oh my god, I feel like this looks a mess. Should just stayed in bed today. This eyeliner was the worst decision I've ever made in my life. Look at it. It's like, it's hard, it's cracky, it looks horrible. I have this Moondust from Urban Decay. I'm gonna try and see if I can go over it and fix this look, because I'm tired of it. My lashes are screaming. My lashes are crying out for help. The Maybeline Fit Me Foundation, Dewy and Smooth in 330 Toffee. I haven't used used this foundation in so long. Let's see what's good with it. Oh my god, I forgot how okay this foundation was. This is the Maybeline Fit Me Concealer in 25. And this is my dry beauty blender because if I sit down in your dry, you're gonna stay dry. You should have said something when I was walking around. Trying to set my under eyes and make them look more cakey than they need to be. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face. Just to make my face look cakey also. Like, can we just skip to that part, like highlighting? This is lash definition from Eylure, and let's see if it looks good. I honestly don't think my eyes can take any more, but we're going to push it to the limit today and see if it's like ride or die, day one, A1, slaying every game no matter what the pain may be. So these are definition number 121 from Eylure, and they look fabulous. And I like using them with the glue that it comes with. I'm gonna use my Lancome Monsieur Big mascara and see if it helps to hide the white. Okay, now that I'm done with the lashes, which feel really heavy, I'm gonna go back into this palette and I'm gonna finish my under eyes. The first color I'm gonna use is the orangey color. I'm gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Finish up the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back. I'm back, and I used the Carli Bybel palette to highlight my face, and I used my NYX foundation powder in Nutmeg to kind of give my face a little bit of a contour. Now I'm gonna take this brown lip liner and line my lips. And then I'm gonna take this lipstick from Lancome, and this is Wannabe, 357 Wannabe, and I'm just gonna go over my lips with this. So that's how Wannabe looks, and I feel like it's just too much pink. I'm gonna also take the Lancome Juicy Tubes lip gloss, and this is in Marshmallow Electro, I think. Yeah, it looks like this, and it smells so good. I'm gonna try and put some of this NYX lingerie in shade 12 on top. Let's see if, okay. I don't care, like this is how my lips are gonna be. I don't believe in this lip color, but it has to work for now because I literally ruined what I had before. And let's go. Anyways, I don't have time for that. This is the end result, and I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this. Let me give you a little bit of a slow-mo. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Remember to subscribe if you guys want to be a part of my doings. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye!